Hi everyone, it's Kate from The Fold Line. I am back this week with the edit. I hope you're well and having a nice week. I've got some really fun stuff to talk to you about this week, and I'm going to start off with some hardware stuff, which we don't get that often, so it's quite exciting to talk about. So this is from Kylie and the Machine. We have got their hardware kit, so for dungarees, for jeans, and for denim jackets. They also have a toolkit that comes with it, and the zips. So fear not, I'm going to talk you through all of it. It's actually very appropriate because the patterns that I've got after this, you need these for. So it's very serendipitous actually. So if I show you how they come, so they've done this really nice little sample for us. So if I come in, you can see all the different colorways. So these are obviously for your dungarees, this would be your jackets, and this is kind of the jeans. And those are the colorways. We don't have every single colorway, but that gives you a kind of good idea. I mean, pretty much every sort of one you'd want. They're really nice quality, as you would expect with Kylie and the Machines, and they come like this. So I can show you. So the hardware kits come in little packets like so, depending on what you're buying. What you get in the kit, if I show you, so obviously I've got, what have I got here? I've got the jeans one, so I can come in and show you. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I'm going to show this up. So in here you've got all of your little, like the rivet backs. Some of them are just plain and some of them have got a little, what's the word? Thread on them, depending on which option you need. I will say that there is the most fantastic, so each of these kits have a QR code on the back up here, and they have an amazing video to go with each one about how to use each kit, which I was going to do a video to show you how to use everything, but their video is so good, I feel like you just need to watch that. So yeah, that will talk you through every stage. So if you're buying probably the jacket and the dungarees, you probably don't need any specialist equipment. But if you are thinking about making a pair of jeans and you have plans to make other things, I would suggest getting the toolkit that comes with it. It is really fantastic. So what you get in the kit, it comes in a little box, so you get an awl. Some of you probably have got one already, but this one's very chunky, so it's kind of the right width for denim. Then you come with this little contraption here. So this has got all the bits that you need. So for example, here you put your button inside like so, and then you have this to position it in place, and then you'd like bash it with your hammer. Obviously you can tell this is an appalling demonstration, but yeah, so this comes with all the components, and there's different shapes depending on what you're using. So there's bits for different buttons and for also the little rivets as well. So it's a very handy tool. The other really lovely thing that comes with the toolkit is you get some spares. So you get some spare backers, which I think is really helpful, and also a jean stop. So if you are making a pair of jeans, there's some extra in there just in case you lose them, which I think is really nice. It's the sort of thing that you'd obviously only buy once, but I definitely think if you are going down the sort of jeans route, I would really, really recommend getting this, because you're doing lots and lots of them, and this will just help with your kind of precision and just ease of use. But yeah, so those are all there for you. Alongside that, we have got zips from them, which is really exciting. So if you are making jeans, you'll need the zip. The other thing I forgot to say about the jeans hardware kit is it comes with buttons as well. So if you're going to make a button fly, there are the buttons to do a button fly as well. But if not, then you could use them for something else, your next project. So the zips we've got in 3 different colorways. You can see, I'll show you a picture so you can see them all, and that pretty much covers most colors of denim. They also come in 2 different lengths as well, so depending on what you need for your jeans, that will skirt depending, whatever you're making, they're there as well. So that is all a very nice little package. I'll pop links to everything that I've mentioned, so all of the different kits, the toolkit, the zips as well. And then, yeah, so they're all there, and they all kind of, obviously they're designed to be in like a nice little bundle for you. So moving on to patterns, which is rather appropriate, we've got a little drop of patterns from I Am Patterns. The first one is called the Gold Jacket. It's PDF only. Sizing on this is a UK 6 to 18. This is your classic denim jacket, but with some twists. So I Am Patterns have really worked hard in the last couple of years on, I feel like, adding value to a pattern. They have created so many different variations for you to try. It means that you get really good, great value. So you can see when I show you some pictures, you can make a classic kind of short denim jacket, you can make a gilet, you can make a long jacket, you can make a long gilet. There's loads of different variations, and I'll pop the line drawing up so you can get a bit of an idea of what you're using. But it would be very handy because then you could use your jacket hardware kit to make it. So I did not plan this. This has just happened by complete and utter luck. But yeah, there's really nice options. You don't have to make it. You can make the gilet, actually in particular, you can make it in different fabrics. It might not, you could leave the collar off. There's so many different things that you could do with this. So if you are looking for I guess like a classic denim jacket, but you want some extra value, this one is definitely worth having a look at because there are so many great options for you to try. Then we have got I guess this must be like a denim sort of drop from them, the ruby skirt. This is such a lovely, I really like the shape of this, and actually I was looking for a skirt like this in the sewing bee last year, and there wasn't one. A sort of slightly A-line shape. It's your classic denim skirt, buttons, all the bits that you'd expect on a sort of denim pair of trousers on a skirt. And then you can make it short, you could make it long, you can have it with a slit, you can make it in different fabrics. There's a short variation which is more simple, so there's lots of different options. Again, you see, even seeing the short denim skirt variation next to the short skirt, they're almost different patterns. So again, you're getting really good value for money with this pattern. So yeah, that's a fantastic, and then you could use the jeans kit if you wanted to add that, and then there's also zips as well, so you can kind of get yourself set up, because quite often I find, I don't know about you, the barrier to entry of doing stuff is quite often all the bits you have to get. So if it's made easy, then I'm more open to doing things that are more tricky. Next we've got the pearl blouse, which I really, really love. Again, there are loads of great options for this. Again, I mean, millions of options. So let's have a look at the line drawing. You can see round neckline. You can have it with a ruffle if you want. You can have it with a tie. You can have buttons up the front. The sleeve option I really love is the one with the little pin tucks down the middle of the sleeve, which I think is a really beautiful detail. You can have it 3/4 length, or I guess just below the elbow. It's just, again, just really fantastic value for money. Like, they all look totally different. You could buy this one style and make so many different variations from it. They all look totally different, and there's some really fun things in there. So that one is definitely worth having a look at. Then we've got a pair of dungarees from them called the Diamond Dungarees. Again, PDF only, and sizing on it is a UK 6 to 18. These are your classic sort of dungaree shapes. I really like they're really kind of straightforward in the dungaree camp. Lots and lots of top stitching. Again, if you need the dungaree hardware kit, we have that as well. So that's there to make your life a bit easier. Although you might have them already. You could cut them off and make them into shorts. There's a variation where they've got an elasticated bottom. They're fairly straight-legged cut. There's an option to, there is a variation for a straight leg cut, and there's also a variation for a tapered leg. So there's quite a lot of different ways that you can make this your own, but that is there. Then their last offering from us, which I think actually is my favourite, is the Crystal Dungaree dress. I love this sort of dungaree style dress. I think it's timeless. Particularly love the longer variation. They've got it cut so it's sort of midi length. You can also make it so it's shorter depending on what you want. You can see from the line drawing here, there's also, which I think is quite nice, is a variation with the pleated skirt. So if you don't want something that's as fitted, there's that variation there as well for you. So it's quite fun. I've never seen one with like that much flare in the skirt, and I actually really like it, which I think is really fun. So yeah, they're all there for you depending on what you want. Last but not least, we've got a really great pattern from Itch to Stitch. It's called the Shimla jacket, which I hope I've said correctly. Sizing on this is a UK 6 to 36. They also have, crucially, which Itch to Stitch always do so fantastically, bust cup options. So they're split into two size bandings. The smaller sizing has got A, B, C, D and double D cups. The larger size banding has B, C, D and double D cups. So if you are looking for a jacket, you hate doing a bust adjustment, then this one is definitely worth having a look at. Right, let's have a look at the line drawing and see what is going on. It's quite an involved make, this one. So you can see that there are two different neck options. So you can either go for a standard sort of like, I guess it's like a little kind of a short funnel neck, buttons down the front. You can either have the funnel neck or you can choose to have a frill, which is then mirrored on the cuff as well. There are little seams that kind of almost like princess seams down the front, so it's quite a kind of fitted jacket. Waistband that's sewn in, and you can see on the back of the jacket again you've got the princess seams at the back. So in terms of, this is something that I would definitely make a toile with, so you can kind of get the fit right. But there are lots of, again, great seam lines for you to make your tweaks and sort of make any changes. But yeah, if you're looking for a sort of fun spring jacket, I think this could be really a good one to have a look at. And yeah, lots of like fun little details on this, and her outerwear is always really fantastic, so it's worth having a look at. Right, that is it from me this week. I hope there was something nice in there for you, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.